Many people want to speak English well. Speaking is hard if you always translate in your head. When you first think in your own language, you speak slowly. You can also make mistakes. Thinking in English is different. You hear English words. You answer in English. You do not change words from your language. This makes speaking faster and easier. At first, it feels strange. You may stop to find the right words. You may feel shy or unsure. But if you practice every day, it gets easier. When you think in English, you speak faster. You understand people better. You feel more confident. You enjoy using English in daily life. This story will show simple steps to help you think in English. Let's begin this journey together. Part 1. Starting small. Thinking in English starts with small steps. You cannot change your thinking in one day. You must practice every day. Begin with easy words you already know. When you see a chair, think chair in English. When you drink water, think water. You do not need to say it out loud. Just say it in your mind. Next, try short sentences in your head. For example, I am hungry. It is sunny. I like tea. Keep the sentences simple. Simple is good in the beginning. During the day, look at things around you. Say their names in English in your mind. Look at the sky and think blue sky. Look at a bus and think the bus is big. This will train your mind to choose English first. Do not worry if you forget words. If you don't know a word, try to explain it in simple English. For example, if you don't know the word blanket, you can think thing I use to cover in bed. This helps you keep thinking in English without stopping. Another small step is to speak to yourself quietly in English. You can do this while walking or cooking. Say what you're doing. I am opening the door. I am washing my hands. This connects English to your actions. At first, it feels slow and strange, but with time, it will feel more natural. Your brain needs practice to make English the first language it uses. Small steps every day will change the way you think. Thinking in English is possible if you keep going. Part 2. Listening to English every day. To think in English, you must listen to English often. The more you hear English, the more your brain will learn to use it. Start with simple English. Listen to children's stories, easy podcasts, or slow news. Slow English is easier to understand. You will hear the words clearly. When you listen, do not try to translate in your head. Just focus on the sounds and the meaning. Even if you do not understand every word, keep listening. Your brain will slowly understand more. Choose topics you like. If you enjoy cooking, listen to short cooking videos in English. If you like travel, listen to travel stories. Fun topics keep you interested. Listen every day, even for 10 minutes. Short practice is better than no practice. Regular listening trains your brain to think in English. When you hear new words, do not pause the video too often. First, try to guess the meaning from the situation. Later, you can check the meaning in a dictionary. Repeat what you hear. Say the words softly to yourself. Copy the way native speakers say the words. This will help your pronunciation and memory. You can also listen while doing other things. Play English audio while cooking, walking, or cleaning. This will make your brain used to hearing English naturally. The more you listen, the faster you will start thinking in English. Your brain will remember the words and sentences you hear many times. Listening is not just practice, it is training for your mind. Every time you listen, your brain takes a step closer to thinking and speaking in English easily. Part 3. Speaking to train your thoughts. Thinking in English becomes easier when you speak in English. Speaking makes your brain work in English faster. Start by speaking to yourself. You can do this in your room, while walking, or while cooking. Say small sentences about what you are doing. For example, I am making tea. I am reading a book. I am going to the shop. You do not need to speak loudly. You can whisper or even speak in your mind. The goal is to connect your thoughts with English words. Practice with simple questions and answers. Ask yourself, what is the weather today? Then answer, it is sunny. It is raining. Keep it short and clear. Find small chances to speak with others. You can greet someone in English. You can order food in English if possible. You can join an English-speaking group online or in your area. Do not wait for perfect grammar before speaking. Perfection will come later. The important thing is to try. Even if you make mistakes, you are training your brain. Repeat sentences you know often. Saying them many times will make them stay in your mind. Use phrases like, how are you? Or can you help me? In real life, if you can, record your own voice. Listen to see if you can improve. This will also make you more confident the next time you speak. The more you speak, the faster you think. Every conversation is practice for your mind. Speaking often will turn English into your natural way of thinking. Part 4. Reading and writing in English. Reading and writing will also help you think in English. When you read in English every day, your brain learns new words and sentence patterns. Start with easy reading. You can choose children's books, short stories, or simple news articles. Easy text is better for training your mind. When you read, try not to translate into your language. Read slowly and understand the main idea. If you find a new word, guess its meaning from the sentence. Later, you can check in a dictionary. Read something you enjoy. If you like sports, read sports news. If you like travel, read travel blogs. Fun topics will keep you reading every day. Writing is also important. Writing helps you remember words and grammar. Start with short sentences. You can write about your day. I woke up early. I went to work. I met my friend. You can keep a small diary in English. Write just 3 or 4 sentences each day. Over time, your sentences will get longer. When you write, try to think in English. Do not write in your language first. Writing directly in English will train your mind to use it naturally. You can also write lists in English, shopping lists, to-do lists, or plans for the day. This is a simple way to connect English to your daily life. Reading and writing together will make your English thinking stronger. You will see new words in reading and then use them in writing. The more you read and write in English, the more your mind will choose English first. This is another big step toward thinking and speaking naturally. Part 5. Living in English every day. To think in English well, you must use it in daily life. You need to make English part of your world all the time. Start by changing small things. Make your phone and computer use English. This way, you see English words every day. Think in English when you do normal tasks. When you cook, name the food in English. When you walk, name what you see. Tree, car, blue sky. Watch TV shows, movies, or YouTube videos in English. Do this as often as you can. Try with subtitles in English so you read and listen at the same time. Talk to yourself in English when you are alone. Describe what you're doing. I am cleaning the room. I am making tea. This connects English to your actions. If you can, make friends who speak English. Even short conversations will help your thinking. You can also join online English groups, play games, read jokes, or listen to songs in English. Fun activities make learning easy and natural. When you do this every day, your brain starts to choose English without thinking. You stop translating. You just understand and speak. Living in English every day will make you think faster, speak better, and feel more confident. Your English mind starts now. Thinking in English is possible for everyone. You do not need to be perfect. You need small steps every day. Listen, speak, read, and write in English as much as you can. Use English in your daily life. Be patient. Thinking in English takes time, but it works. Mistakes are part of learning. Like in this story, you could train your mind to choose English first. Soon, it will feel natural. Your English journey starts now. Make today the first day you begin thinking in English.